Hello, everyone. We are going to have a pizza party, and the pizza that we're having this evening is homemade, delicious, easy, quick, economical, and who doesn't want to hear that in today's economy? And you guys, I'm making mine low carb. So if you want to learn how to put some delicious pizza together that the entire family is going to enjoy, then stick with me, and I will show you how coming up next. What I absolutely love about this recipe is with just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of time, you can put together a custom personal pan-sized pizza, you guys. As you can see here, I've got my crust. And the crust is made out of a fried tortilla shell. All you need to do is to put some avocado oil in a skillet, brown this shell on both sides, and you have got your pizza crust. And then your toppings of choice. If you like sauce, you can use a pizza sauce. My husband and I happen to not like pizza sauce, so that's why you don't see any out in front of me. But your pizza sauce, your veggies, your cheese, and your meats of choice. And another beautiful thing about this as well is you can make it your own kind of special by putting out all the ingredients and then make it a family affair where the family gets their shell and they proceed to put their toppings of choice on it. And then at that point, you can put it in either your Cosori air fryer, which is what I'm gonna do, or the oven to melt the cheese, and then you are ready to go. So you guys come in close and let's put these pieces together. So our toppings of choice for our pizzas this evening is pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and some peppers. And these are sweet peppers, you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut these into julienne strips. And those are our veggies. So at this point, you guys, it is time to assemble. Just that easy. Okay, let's go ahead and assemble these pizzas. So this shell is my husband's. This shell is not low carb. Just spread the cheese on top. And then do the same for the other two. Okay, next, our meat. And of course, you guys, you can do the pepperoni, you can do a sausage, you can do ground beef, whatever your heart desires. Okay, and now, for these beautiful peppers. And you guys, they smell amazing as well. Okay, just need to mix them up. And now the last thing before we put these into either the oven or the air fryer is a little bit of olive oil. Okay, sprinkle a little of this on top. I like to do this when there's no sauce. And then, of course, it just adds an extra layer of flavor to these pizzas. And here you have it. Homemade pizza, ready to go into our oven. And they're going to go into a preheated oven or Cosori fryer for about 5 minutes. And then after that, you guys, I'll come back and I will show you the finished product. Okay, this air fryer has preheated. And you guys, I am going to put one of these parchment liners in the bottom of this basket. Do yourself a favor, you guys, and invest in some of these. I absolutely love these because it definitely cuts down on the cleanup time because, again, it actually covers the bottom of your basket. Okay, so we're going to put pizza number 1 in. And we're gonna start with about 4 minutes and check on it. And if that cheese is nice and melted and bubbly, that will be ready and it'll be time to put the other two in. And just like that, this is ready. Okay, hot out of the air fryer. Only thing left to do is to cut and serve. All right, everyone, did you see just how simple this was to put together? And we ended up with a phenomenal, delicious, personal-sized pizza that we make our own kind of special because we get to choose exactly what toppings to put on it. And we've got a low-carb version, and for those that really don't care about carbs, we got a regular version. So there's nothing else left to do but to enjoy this. Lord, I thank you. So good. Give this a try, you guys. I promise you, you are going to fall in love. And at the same time, again, you get to save your coins and make it your own kind of special. Remember to give this video a like and a share. And also, remember to subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button below if you've not already done so. And I want to thank you guys again for joining me. Remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see you guys real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thank you guys, and enjoy. As a matter of fact, I got some red pepper flakes that I got from a pizza joint that we used to go to. So I'm gonna make it my extra kind of special. See you guys soon.